In an earlier demo, what I did is I created some virtual hard disks. In this demo, we're going to look at actually managing those hard disks. So what I've done is I've just attached the virtual hard disks I created to a Windows desktop. And what we have here is we've got the dynamic disk I created in an earlier demo. So this is 100 gigabytes. If you scroll this down a little bit further, what we have is we have the fixed disk I created. So as we can see there, that's about a gig. And then we've got the differencing disk, which is the difference from the base image. And we can see that this has got two partitions within it. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to make these disks a bit bigger. So what we've got here, we'll start with the fixed disk. So first thing we need to do here is just come into our HyperV Manager. So in HyperV Manager, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to click on my edit disk. And on my edit disk, we'll just select the next button. We'll locate the disk that I want to modify. We'll modify our fixed disks to start with and click open. And then select our next button, and one of the things we can see here is we can expand this disk. Now bear in mind the virtual machine is turned on, so I'm not having to turn off the virtual machine that this disk is attached to. So we'll select our next button, and what we'll do here is we'll make the new size 2 gigabytes, select our next button, select our finish button. This will go away. As we can see, it's editing the virtual hard disk. Next thing we'll do here is we'll just pull back up the Windows virtual machine. And what we can now see in computer management, we can now see that it is 2 gigabytes in size. Next thing we'll do here is we'll edit a dynamic disk. So what we'll do, yet again, just minimize this down, go back to our HyperV Manager, and what we'll do here, just edit the disk again, select our next button, locate our disk, so browse through here, get a hold of our dynamic disk, select open, select our next button, and what we can do here is we can compact it. So as we can see, compact the size of the virtual hard disk. Remember, a dynamic disk can increase as required. We can also compact it down, we can expand it, and we can shrink it so we can reduce the storage capacity if we've expanded too much. So let's expand it. Let's select our next button, and what we'll do here is we'll make this now 200 gig. Select our next button again, select our finish button, and then what we'll do is we'll just pull back the Windows desktop again. And what we can see is it's now 200 gig. And that's the end of this very quick demonstration. Thanks very much.